Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Again, it's Monday. Happy Mask Monday, ladies. And today I have the NMF mask that I recently received in my box, and I promised that I will go ahead and use. So if you're interested in this, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. Here we are, Monday again, new slate. That's what I like to say on Mondays. And I'm so happy to be here, and we have a whole week to look forward to. And actually, as you can see from my background, yeah, I did a lot of packing this weekend, and I'm hoping to get it all done before the next weekend, right? So yeah, been busy. But anyway, today what I would like to do is, for the Mask Monday ladies, I would like to use this Mediheal mask that I recently received in one of my beauty boxes. And I did say I would do that, so I want to do that. And also, before we do that, you know we have to do a bit of gratitude, right? Yeah. And don't go away after that, though, because I do have to reveal last week's Mask Monday ladies giveaway winner. And I'm going to switch things up a little bit. Usually I start a new giveaway on this day, but what I need to do is I need to spread it out a little bit. So I'm going to do one sometime this week. Haven't decided when, because as you notice, I mean, yeah, it's even echoing in here, and everything's been like packaged. And so I'm gonna have to play it by ear, but definitely one of the days this week there will be a surprise giveaway, okay? And also continue to watch the videos, because I'm putting in a couple of yeah, what do they call them, hidden eggs or Easter eggs whatever they call them, in some of my videos. So yeah, you can look forward to that too. So let's go ahead and get some gratitude. Let me see. Let's pick a nice card. And we have one here. Looks, I'm glad it's written big print, because right now I'm having a hard time seeing after all this packing. But it says, give thanks for unknown blessings already on their way. Give thanks for the unknown blessings already on their way. And this is a Native American saying, according to this card. That's really nice, because, you know, a lot of times we wait until, you know, we get something to, you know, to be thankful. But how about those things that's already in brewing, it's in the makings, you don't know yet, and something you're hoping for, but it's not here? There's nothing wrong with thanking for that. You know, when we pray, at least, you know, Muslims pray 5 times a day at a given certain time. It's not like all 5 at once, but we do have a certain time of day we have to pray, depending on the time of the year. And that's one of the things that, you know, I like to do is, you know, thank God for the things that I'm going to be getting, and for the blessings that I've been blessed with every single day, for yesterday and for tomorrow. And I think it's really important that you have that kind of gratitude, and not just, you know, be grateful for material things, but for, you know, a good future, or something that you don't even know that's going to happen, but you know it's going to be good. Something, right? Because I love surprises, by the way. And so, yeah, it's nice. Give thanks for unknown blessings already on their way. And believe me, there are certain blessings that's already flying through the air. You just don't know yet. So be thankful, okay? Again, I'll show you the card, and it is a Native American saying, and I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. And let me know what you thought about the card too below. Today, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and put on this Intensive Hydrating Mask. And it's hydrating, tightening, and refining. It's naturally derived ingredients, and it's dermatologist tested. Dermatologist tested. So it's NMF, which stands for Natural Moisturizing Factor. Okay, and NMF is a solution which quenches dry skin by locking a natural moistures for long-lasting hydration. And I do really like moisturizing masks, and here it is. And let me tell you how long. I think this is going to be 15 or 20 minutes, right? It says directions after cleansing and toning, which I did both. apply mask, hold lifting line and out of the way towards the mask, tightly to face, and adjust around eyes, nose, and mouth. And it says result in 10 to 20 minutes or until logo appears. Oh, this is the one where the logo is going to appear. So as the mask dries, the logo appears, letting you know when to remove it. Okay, interesting. So it feels kind of juicy. You know, I do like juicy one, but not overly juicy because then it's kind of like, So, okay, let's just go ahead and do that. Oh, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and, I'm not going to set the timer because it's going to tell me, right? So maybe I should set the timer just to say how long it took, but it depends on where you are. Mine's going to dry pretty fast because California is pretty dry. Whereas if you're in Florida or somewhere East Coast where it's really, you know, humid, it may not dry as fast. So, okay, here it is. I just opened it. Okay. It doesn't smell like a whole lot, which is good, And even though it feels super juicy, it's actually more tacky. I don't know if you can see that inside. It feels like it's tacky. So, which I like that. And let's see. It's more jelly-like instead of like soupy and water-like. Because I don't like that. That just runs all over the place and it's a mess. And I mean, it doesn't, just because it's so juicy doesn't mean it does anything better, right? So, and I also wonder too, I mean, if you can afford to put all that extra juice in there, I mean, how much are these things? So, yep. Okay. Oh, I got it sideways. Oh, it's kind of cool. It's got these little Medihil all over the place. Let me make sure that see, it was going to. Okay, so that must mean it goes this way. Wow, okay. It's taking me a bit, guys. Sorry about that. I did have it right, and then I flipped it, and it just went sideways from there. Okay, and I want to make sure I have it untucked. And I'm going to go ahead and make sure I don't get it in my eyes, because if it's got hyaluronic acid, that'll burn. Okay. Okay, I think I have it on right. It doesn't look like I'm going to have to put the... You know what? I am not going to put the silicone mask on because this is actually pretty good. Yeah, look at it. It's almost like disappears. You can't see it. Okay. I'm going to do this so that way... And plus, if I put my silicone mask on, it'll never dry. It'll get warm, but it won't dry. So, all right. And here it is. Wow, it's actually not bad. It feels really nice, guys. It does. Ooh. And I've been packing all day from morning till this time, and it's evening. It's Sunday night, actually. And so, yeah. Ooh, I like it. And then, you know what? I'm just going to put this all over my hand. Why not? And, you know, I do this a lot with my skincare, so that way it's absorbed, because I take care of my hand too, because that's one of the first places it does show age, because your whole life you don't usually use a sunscreen on your hands, and where do you see the spots usually? The age on the hand. And so I try to kind of like, you know, rub all that in there. So, and I've done that for years. Even sunscreen, after I put it on my face, I kind of do that with my hands. And so now it's up to you at this point if you want to roll it like this, okay? And this is one of the rollers I think I told you last time I found when I was like packing. And I like this. But I am going to tell you, it's been 2 weeks now. I have been using this cryotherapy. And I really like it. It tightens my face. And I actually, what I did was I stopped using, just to test it, I stopped using my new face for 2 weeks. And I changed it up and been using in its place my little cryo globe. And I want to introduce that to you guys because I'm liking it a lot. And actually, you know, it makes me wonder how much electricity should I just be rubbing all over my face all the time. So I'm kind of glad that I found that cryo globe. But yeah, and I got it on Amazon too, and it was very good price. Actually, I'll talk to you about it more when I do the review, but it's engineered by one of the YouTubers' husbands actually. And you know, when I saw it, I'm like, let me see, because I have like a bunch of cryo globes that didn't work for me, and then I tried this one. So yeah, that's coming up real soon for you guys, but I wanted to use it long enough to really give you feedback. Like I said, for me to stop using NuFace, that was nerve-wracking, okay, because I've been using that thing for a couple of years now, and I'm like, okay, now I'm totally not going to use it and just use the cryo globe. So yeah, okay. Anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, instead of me just continuing to chat, I'm going to go ahead and end here. I will put in the clip of the winner of last week. and then come back on and tell you what I thought about this mask, okay? Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, here we go. Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. Alexis here with Haute Modesty. Of course, I started this common picker, and what happens? The apartment decides they're gonna turn on a sprinkler. Story of my life in this place. Well, I'm almost out of here. Anyway, I started by already adding the link from our last Monday's Mask Monday, ladies. And then I did go ahead and click on filter duplicate users, because that way we only have one opportunities per person, to be fair. And then the word that was filtered for is school. So let's see how many people actually did join us. So let's see. Okay, well, not bad. That's fair. 51 people. There are 51 comments. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and find a button that says who will be the winner. Are you guys ready? Okay, step 1. Click and see who wins. Debbie Richter. Debbie Richter, and her comment says, I pray all the children going back to school will be safe with our current situation. Yeah, Debbie, I totally agree with you. And especially since children under 12 cannot yet be vaccinated. So, yep. Alrighty, let's see, Debbie, if you follow the next step, which is to go ahead and make sure you are public and that I can see you subscribe to me. So, let's see. I can see that you're public. And let's take a look on the channels. Okay, let me try to center it here. Let me get a little bit further away. And let's start to scroll. Okay, I see a lot of YouTubers that I consider my friends. And here we go. Let's see. Alrighty. Wow, yeah, you do have a lot of fellow YouTubers. I'm so happy that you do. Well, here I am, Haute Modesty, and you have met all of the requirements. Okay, welcome back. Congratulations, Deb. Please reach out to me with your address. And you could do that by following me on Instagram, Haute, Haute .modesty, and then DMing me. Or you can simply go to the very bottom of the description and all of my videos, and it's the very last thing is my email address, and you can email me. And it's up to you. Okay? Again, congratulations. And just to let you guys know, I always email this piece of it, but I do go to the post office on a weekend. So I know it's just Monday, but I won't get an opportunity to go until Saturday. And then what I do is I send you the tracking information. I hope that's okay. Okay? Just want to let you guys know that. And okay, I don't know what to do with this. It's been an hour. I kid you not. 1 hour. Actually, it's 1 hour and 2 minutes. It's not dry yet, but can you see, like, whoa, my chair just broke. It was broken already, but I'm trying to hold on to it until I move and get a new one. So that was not a good thing. Okay, you can see here where it's drying up and you can see midi. But I'm thinking to take it off because it's been really an hour. And I told you it would dry up really fast in California, but made a liar out of me, didn't it? So anyway, I think I'm going to go ahead and take it off because it is quite moist and it is so nice. It really is. And I do enjoy it. But you know what I'm noticing? There's a little bit of redness here that I don't typically get from masks. And I'm wondering, I did say I didn't smell any fragrance, but let me look real quick. It does have fragrance. Okay. Proline, alanine, fragrance, perfume. So that could very well be, because I don't know if you notice it, a little bit of redness here. And if I leave on something on my face for too long, and like I said, it was like 1 hour and 2 minutes before I took it off, it does do this. And it won't go back to normal within, 30 minutes or so, because what I'll probably do now because of this, I need to constrict myself. So I'll just use my cryo globe to go over it and, to see if that gets better. But yeah, and I'll let you know what happens. But, I really did like this mask. It's a shame. I'm going to have to look and see if this mask does come fragrance free, because the way it feels really nice. And it's like, it's, really rich, you know. It's not watery, it's rich, and it's not like liquid serum. It's like a creamy serum, and I really do like it. So let's see what happens. And, you know, it looks like it's going down a little bit. But yeah, I don't like that because that means it's vasoconstricting because of the fragrance. So the blood is coming to the surface, causing the redness. So yep, you know, I may have to go ahead and wash it off afterwards. But yeah, that's why we have Mask Monday Ladies, to let you know. But the mask was, I mean, the way it sat on my face was like, it's my favorite one as far as that goes. How it sat on my face so nicely. And like I said, hour and 2 minutes, I didn't budge. It had a very nice thick strip here, which I really enjoy, and it was a perfect shape for the eye cutout and the mouth and the forehead. But wow, you know, I was thinking when I was doing emails out there that I will go ahead and order this, but now having taken it off and seen a little bit of redness, unless they have a fragrance-free one, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to stay away from it. But you know, like some of you said, you don't mind fragrance, and this doesn't happen to you, but be careful because it's with time, okay? And so, but if you do choose to get this, it is good. Like I said, the shape of the mask is perfect. It still isn't dry; it's still soaked, and yeah, and it is hydrating because I feel, I mean, usually I have to put on some kind of moisturizer right after, and I have a feeling I'm not going to have to do that with this one. So, you know, shame, but okay, I'll look for one that doesn't have any fragrance. So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you enjoyed the video. And again, I did say that I will run a giveaway this week. I don't know when. I don't want to promise you a certain day because of my moves and, you know, all of my appointments that I have going on before I take my vacation, so I could move. Yeah, I can't nail down a day for you guys, okay? But promise there will be a giveaway sometime this week. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, if you enjoyed this content, please give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? We have so much fun, right? And so, yeah, just go ahead and hit subscribe, hit the bell button, and select all so you know every time I upload a new video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much for spending your moments with me and your Monday with me. And so, have a good day, a good night, good week, good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, it doesn't matter. But just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.